All right. So when we're drawing electric field lines, what's going to be super helpful is that whole idea of field lines go away from the positive charge creating the field or towards a negative charge creating the field. I'm using these black boxes to help indicate that nothing outside that box interacts with anything electronically with inside the box. This is just so that we can have more drawings per page. So, away from the positive towards the negative. When we're looking at these in general, what you want to do is make sure that you're using at least 6 field lines as a minimum. Okay. If you want to talk about this from a definition point of view, think of it as if you were to put a small positive charge right at this location here, you would be able to, if this was a little positive charge, it would experience a force away from the positive charge like this, or if that small positive charge were located here, it would be attractive to the negative charge that's creating the field. Okay. Next up, let's look at what happens when we have two positive charges. Notice there's an area of influence in here that is completely non existent, and that would be literally because there's a line going away from it here and away from the one on the right here. Those two would be equal and cancel each other out, resulting in no field in the middle. So, if we were to create multiple situations where, and that works with negatives as well, where we have all positive charges surrounding something or all negative charges surrounding something, we can create an area with literally zero electrical influence, which is pretty cool. But let's say we want to build up some significant electrical influence because we want to impact charged particles in that area. If we use opposite charges, we can do that. Remember, it's always electric fields always go away from the positive and towards the negative. So in this area here, where we've got away from the positive and towards the negative, are both going in the same direction, we're going to get a very big, nice, intense field in the middle. And then, if we kind of stack those on top of each other, like two lines of charge, we can create a very, very, very symmetrical, constant electric field in the middle and only have a little bit of what we call edge effects, or when they are, there's a little bit of bending at the edges because there isn't a positive charge up here to like push it down a little bit.